There are some business people and even some finance brokers that think short-term business loans are scary. Well, they aren't scary at all. In fact, they have been an absolute lifesaver for small businesses right across Australia for years. Let's face it, if you own a business and you need access to say $300,000 by tomorrow and you don't have it in the bank, what would you do? Where would you go? Now you see what I mean. A short-term business loan is the only answer. Best of all, they are very fast and very light on with paperwork. HomeSec Business Finance is one of the largest and most trusted short-term business lenders, and we can genuinely settle a loan within 24 hours. All you need is real estate security and a genuine business purpose and an exit strategy on how you'll repay the short-term loan. Often it's a refinance or sale of an asset, and we can have the funds to you in the next business day. Yes, there are some private lenders out there who do engage in some questionable practices. So it's really important to know who you are dealing with and what they stand for. Ask lots of questions. Often a cheap rate with a word "from" next to it ends up being not that cheap after all. Not to mention, many lenders won't allow any flexibility. Plus, the other big question, can they genuinely settle on time, or will it blow out to days or weeks? That's where HomeSec Business Finance is different, and why we are the trusted name in short-term business lending. With us, there are no massive upfront fees to pay, no valuations to be done, bad credit history and current loan arrears are fine with us, and best of all costs are transparent. Plus, we capitalise the loan costs into the term of the loan, meaning you don't have to pay anything during the short loan period. Yes, on interest rate, we may not seem the cheapest, but once you add in all the fees that the others charge, you end up with a more expensive outcome. Plus, I wouldn't like to be in your shoes if you need to extend the loan. The other benefit with us is while we lend from 1 week to 6 months, if you pay the loan back early, not only are there no penalties, but we also rebate the unused interest back to you so you aren't paying for the time you haven't used. Starting to get the picture? So stick with the trusted name in short-term business lending, HomeSec Business Finance.